Hello everybody. It is time we are talking about job order costing. Job order costing is a costing method which is used to determine the cost of manufacturing each product. This costing method is usually adopted when the manufacturer produces a variety of products which are different from one another and needs to calculate the cost for doing an individual job. Job costing includes the direct labor, direct materials, and manufacturing overhead for that particular job. And then we move to the documents for job order costing systems. To track the cost of each individual job, specific documents are needed to remain accurate and reduce the chance of unexpected profit loss. There are common documents used in job order costing systems. We start from the first, materials requisition form. To track materials being used in current items or orders, companies use a materials requisition form. This form states that certain materials have been taken from inventory and put toward the creation of the job order. The job order sections you may find on the materials requisition form can include the date the material was retrieved from inventory, and then who the items was given to, and then the unique job number, who priced the items, the exact amount of material retrieved, etc. When an employee inputs information into the materials requisition form, they may need to find the requested information from other sources. For instance, when trying to figure out how much the materials items cost, they might ask the accounting department for updated pricing. And then the second, job cost sheet. This sheet is the main source for tracking an item to pricing and inventory accurate. To maintain this accuracy, this job cost sheet needs to track information including the date that was started, the summary of the find cost of the job, the date employees completed the job, job records information, including overhead costs, what materials were used, and labor information. And then the date the order was shipped to the customers, etc. Each of the job information details will have its own section to clearly show the reader what information is needed. And then the third, time ticket. As an employee works on a unique order, they are often required to fill out a time sheet recording the work they have completed. Sections of a time ticket can include employee's name and ID number, accounting and supervisor approval, the specific job number they are completing, the total cost of the job, and a list of each job, etc. And then we move to cost accumulation in job order costing. There are three main components that go into cost accumulation when you run your business with a job order costing method. The first, direct materials. All the raw materials that are required to create the finished product are accounted for in this. And then the second, direct labor. The direct effort to turn raw materials into finished products is accounted for under direct labor. This also includes the machining costs. And then the third, overheads. Since running a manufacturing business is not simply putting together raw materials and labor, your business will also have plenty of running expenses that are not directly related to the jobs. For instance, you will incur rent for the workshop, maintenance, upkeep, and other manufacturing overheads in accounting, bookkeeping, etc., and other functions necessary to keep your business running. This account for overheads. These components are grouped according to the orders and are placed in job cost sheets. And then we move to the benefits job order costing. The benefits. Estimating the cost of future jobs more accurately. Job order costing gives manufacturers vital information about how much certain types of jobs cost, allowing them to give more accurate quotes to customers, and this could improve customer satisfaction and prevent operating at a loss. And then the second, accurate job order costing helps companies draw better budgets. Knowing the costs involved in the manufacture of your products allows you to plan budgets and operating expenses as well as set profit targets over long periods. And the third, measuring equipment and workforce efficiency. Job order costing requires a certain amount of detail, and then including the tracking of labor and machine hours. This way you can determine which pieces of equipment or which employees fall below the company standards. And then the fourth, determining the profitability of a job. It gives insights to the managerial staff and allows them to make better business decisions. And then how to calculate job order costs. Job order costing is used to measure the revenue gained against the expenses incurred during the production process so that we can determine the profit for every unique job which is being manufactured. Job order costing is calculated in 6 steps. The first, identifying the job. Second, calculating the cost. And choosing the allocation base. And fourth, receiving the order. And then fifth, during manufacturing, maintaining job cost sheets. And finally, sixth, after manufacturing, revising the cost sheets. And then the implementing job order costing in your organization. This section provides practical guidelines for implementing job order costing in your organization. It covers aspects like designing job cost system, setting up cost accounts, establishing cost allocation methods, and leveraging software tools to streamline the process. By following these steps, businesses can successfully implement job order costing and reap its benefits. I think it is enough for this session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget give this channel with your like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you.